Hey, just wanted to do this quick tutorial for you in case you have some stories or YouTube shorts or reels that you would like to repurpose perhaps into something longer, and you want to change the resolution to a standard size video, and you could do that in Canva. So I'm using Daniele Melandri's 300 motivational videos package as an example, but you can take this to anything that you're working with. So in his package, he actually has 50 videos in a single template. So these are actually 15 videos. What we can do here right now is we can go to resize, and we will do we're looking for, if it's standard YouTube, we are looking at 1280 by 720 pixels, right? And then we will put continue. And you may want to do copy and resize so that you don't lose the original ones. And then you can just go resize this design. That is now going to resize all 50 of the videos in this example. So obviously there are probably going to be adjustments that you'd like to make. So you could go here, and now you can see kind of which ones might need, and it looks like probably you just want to change the text on all of them. But all you'd have to do is do a little stretch here to make it bigger. Maybe you want it a little smaller so it's not covering the image, however you'd like to do it. Now, when it comes to adding your username, if you, let's say, eKidHub, a lot of places, right? That won't be updated elsewhere. But one thing you can do very easily is when you copy from one place and you go to the next one, you can easily just copy, and it will put it in the exact same space. So I'm deleting, obviously, and just copying. That's better than retyping it all the time. But when you do copy an element from one to another, it puts it in the exact same spot. So your name would be consistently along in there. But it's really that easy, not difficult, right? You can add audio to these videos, just about anything else you'd like. You could add your logo instead of username, all up to you. Okay, so what about the case where you have a video that wasn't recorded in Canva or created in Canva so that you can't stretch the text and all that? Well, you can still do some nice things with it. So in this case, we'd go to Create Design. We're going to choose this video size. And then we have a nice blank canvas. You can choose a background if you want. We're just going to go with plain, and we're going to go to uploads. And I've already uploaded the video just to make it faster, but obviously you'd go to upload files and upload your video. But my video is here. So I will insert it in there. I'm just going to click pause because there is the sound of the waterfall in the background, and you can go to audio and mute that if there's sound in your video that you don't want. You can also choose to do different sound, but now you can stretch it and move it to where you'd like, right? So this actually is kind of nicer. The closer I zoom in here, the more the actual waterfall shows. So quite pretty and lovely. So then we could add some text on the side here. You notice when I kind of click away, the video, sort of the actual video disappears, but you can tell it's still there. So nobody panic. Can add some text. Maybe we'll put a little quote. I actually consulted with ChatGPT to help me with the nice little quote. We can change the font. Maybe we'll just go. We're not going to overthink it because I'm just trying to demonstrate to you what we can do, right? And I'll even show you what I told ChatGPT, how I asked ChatGPT to help me. So it can be, maybe it can be a little bit bigger there. And see, lovely. Obviously, we can dress it up more, add a logo, etc., like this. So it made a little quote for me, like the waterfall, let your growth flow with purpose, blah, blah, blah. Very nice, right? But here's what I did when I talked to ChatGPT. I said, can you come up with an inspirational saying that I could include with a video of a waterfall? Something to do with personal development, but also related to nature or something about water movement. And I think it did quite a lovely job of that. Then when you go, so you started by making just an image, but when you do download it, you'll see that it is now in MP4 video format. You can download and you can publish.